Hey, this is Alex Johnson with Ridgeline Roofing and Restoration. I am at Sadie Daniels' house to do a repair attempt on that front section of the roof that was previously replaced at some time in the past to see if it is repairable or not. That is the shingle I'm going to attempt to replace. There's no damage above it. I think you'll have to pay for the rest of the roof other than that, but I'm just going to do a repair attempt to see if there is any kind of issues with it. Got you on a tripod. Be kind of new, or still in. The glue's still working pretty good. Having a difficult time getting it up. see if anything was damaged in the process. All right, I'm gonna first, before I touch those, I'm gonna come up here and just see. As you can tell, I'm wiping pretty good on those. Nothing is coming off because those weren't lifted. Let's try the ones that I just had to lift up. Well, doesn't really look like anything was creased. The only damage that was really caused that I can see is the pry bar went through there a little bit, just trying to get the shingle up because it was glued down pretty good with that adhesive, but as you can tell, doesn't really look like any visible damage was caused. I did take some pictures. There are at least 4 layers on this roof. I've got pictures of that for the sections y'all have paid to replace. There's 4 layers. Also, there's drip edge on the house. And then I've got some pictures of this back section. I'm gonna take you back to it real quick and show you why this flat roof, even though there's no wind damage to it, why it's going to need to be replaced. As you can tell, one, it's going behind that siding, so in order to tear it off and put it back on, we will need to pull the siding back to be able to get it off and put the new stuff on. And then it's tied in to the shingles, and especially with there being 4 layers, this top section here is going to be underneath, under here, but on top of, as you can tell, it's going to be on top of the additional layers. So when we're tearing this off, this is going to get damaged and compromised when we're trying to tear off the shingles for this section. So there's no way of being able to tear off the rest of the roof without damaging this. So with that, this flat section here will need to be replaced here. I'll show you some components. Got a 2-inch pipe boot here. It's tarred in. Another one here. It's tarred in. That's a 4-inch pipe boot. The chimney flashing is going to be redone, as you can tell. And when we're tearing off the shingles, this flashing is going to get damaged. So we'll need to be able to pay to reflash this chimney. And then there's another plumbing boot right there. And then we'll need some additional shingles. For some reason it runs up the sidewall here, so we'll need some additional material to do that. Thank you.